Okay, in this segment we're going to cover removing the center console assembly. And it's kind of a hard angle to film, so just bear with me for a minute. First thing we need to do to get access, we have an access panel right here, and that just snaps out. Just kind of tap your screwdriver in and pry it up from the back. And that piece snaps out, and there's two screws that fasten it down right here. And then we'll need to remove 1, 2, 3, and 4 more screws up on each side. So it'll be 4 on each side, and these 2 here, and this will remove the upper portion of the center console. Okay, there's 1, 2, 3, come here, and 4. Now I'll just jump to the other side and we'll get the other side 4. Okay. Okay, got the screws out. And a drop light might come in handy too back in these back corner situations. It gets a little dark back there and hard to see the screws. Now to remove it, we're actually going to need to bring the shift down into a neutral or lower position so we have clearance enough to pull it back this way. And so you want to make sure that you've got your wheel chocks in. You'll need to turn the key to unlock it. Now just grab it, wiggle it, and slide straight back. Now to get it out, it's kind of a combination thing. Here's where we have to release the brake. Then lift it up. Push it forward and lift it right up over the brake assembly. It's kind of a tight fit. Well, maybe we'll have to raise it a little. There we go. That's it. Then drop the brake down. Now we slide it up and back. Bring the shifter indicator down, and we can slide it all the way out. Okay, we'll just go ahead and put it back in park. Okay, the next phase of the operation is removing the rear portion or the cover assembly that goes over the parking brake. And it's only got 2 screws left that are holding it in, and they're underneath an access panel that's right in the back below the cigarette ashtray. Just pop that cover out. And you go ahead this time, take the ashtray out. It just kind of snaps down, and it has a spring tension on it. Push down, it pops right out. There'll be 2 screws right here that we have to remove, and that's holding that in. Okay, once they're removed, we should be able to just pick it up. If we pull the handle up a little bit, we should be able to pick it up, slide it off, and remove the cover assembly for the parking brake. That'll conclude removing the center console assembly. So please watch our next segment. We'll cover removing the access cover and the ECM computer.